Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and here enable location, display location information in photo video details. And after that, after you enable this feature, every photo and video you take will be marked with its location. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.